Hey, it's me, Bin. Welcome back to my channel. Threading the sewing machine. Turn the hand wheel counterclockwise until the needle is in the highest position. Prepare your thread. Put the thread spool. Guide the thread to the bobbin window tension disc. Pull the thread down to the thread tension dial. Then turn a bob through take-up lever. Insert the thread to the take-up lever. Pull thread down to the thread guide. And insert the thread to the thread guide from top downward. Insert thread from front to back through the machine needle. Raise the presser foot, then put the thread under. Place the bobbin thread. Turn the hand wheel counterclockwise. Needle will go down, picking up the bobbin thread. Pull the thread and see it has cut the bobbin thread. Pull the thread away from you and lay them under presser foot. Cover down bobbin compartment into place. And you're done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you on my next one.